Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jack from the Raleigh Crypto Society. And instead of just doing a newsletter today, I thought it would be easier just to do a quick video. So, as you can see, after a whole week of things exploding to the upside, we have a bit of a retracement, and it's a decent retracement in some of these coins. Most of the things that we've been talking about over the last few weeks that are in our portfolio are down a little bit. Not everything, but most things are down with the market. Most of the altcoins are down. As you can see on the screen, Bitcoin is down a little over 4% at the moment. Ethereum has broken back below 2,000. I'm sure there's going to be a tremendous amount of buyers there that are looking for this last ditch effort to buy Ether at a lower price. So one of the things I wanted to get out of the way right away, trying not to make this video too long. Yesterday in our newsletter, we released the first crypto basket. If you don't know what a crypto basket is, you can go back and review one of the last videos that we put up on the YouTube channel. And it's basically where we show people a strategy of, instead of simply buying single or looking at single coins, we buy a bucket or a basket of coins and we look at them as almost like a mutual fund that we trade. We can trade as a totality. So two or three of the coins in the basket can be down, one or two can be up, and we can still be up for the overall trade and lock that in and close it out. So if you want to know how baskets work, go back and watch that video. So of course I did not listen to one of my own rules, and I bought this latest basket of coins when things were up. And of course, within 24 hours, I could have bought that basket at probably 20% less because everything is on sale now. So that's the way it goes sometimes. You either miss out because you're waiting too long for a perfect entry, or you get in and this happens where you could have had 15 to 20% better entry across the board. And some of those coins are down possibly even below there. One other note with that, on the newsletter, we said that we bought Bondly. After learning some other information yesterday, which I cannot get into, we immediately switched out of Bondly and went into a different coin. I'll show you what that coin is real quick. CKB, Nervos Network. Probably pronouncing that wrong, but we switched Bondly out in that portfolio for the Nervos Network, which is CKB. It's a little over 2 cents. Good market cap on that, and this dropped today a little bit. So when we did it, we were getting at least the benefit of this drop. So let's go back to the overall market. Let's take a quick look. All right, so of course, as you know, on days like this, red days are sales days, which are buying days or should be buying days for people that are looking to get into new coins. Obviously, you know our long-term feeling on Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you want to use some of your profits or money on the side to buy into Ethereum, we're 100% fine with that. But we're going to focus more on altcoins. So let's take a quick look down the list. Very interesting. You don't see me mention or talk about XRP very much. There's a chance this is a real roll of the dice with this coin. That's why we don't talk about it. But XRP is in the middle of a lawsuit with the government, the U.S. government. If they come out the other end, this coin could shoot up tremendously, but it's a definite risk. I wouldn't do it. Cardano, ho hum, $1.19. Even in the midst of this red day, Cardano isn't moving one way or the other. They're waiting for big news, and then we're going to have our push to $2. So Cardano is the same as always. Polkadot is down quite a bit. Polkadot is down over 11% today. So if you're looking to grab more Polkadot, this is probably a good day to grab a little bit of Polkadot here. Let's take a look. Litecoin. Litecoin, man, did we miss the boat on this one? We were watching Litecoin at around $79, $78, did not jump in. We're now at 217. But here's the deal, guys. that's a great return if you would have got in at 79.80. But some of the other altcoins are doing 5, 10xers, and you're not going to see that in Litecoin anytime in the near future. So that is a good return, but the altcoins are giving you more bang for your buck. Chainlink is only down 2%. This is a coin that we're not in. That is a fantastic project, fantastic coin with huge upside. I wish this was down a little bit more. I'd probably think about pulling the trigger here. Chainlink is excellent. Theta is a coin we've discussed before, and Theta is up today in the midst of this red dawn here. So Theta is a good coin, but it's not on sale. Okay, let's take a look. Stellar, we've mentioned in the past. Stellar was sitting about 38 cents forever, never moved. Finally, in this last run up, it's moved to 47. Slow, steady mover, but you're not getting a lot of bang here. But anybody who bought it around 32 cents is not unhappy with that. Filecoin, wow. Well, the story with Filecoin, there's a great video that I just watched explaining why Filecoin has made massive jumps in the last month. It's down today. Filecoin is absolutely a buy for those that have been watching it. This is a jump-off point for Filecoin, which is a storage, DeFi storage sector, which we're very, very high on, and we'll get into that in a minute. There's a secondary play for those that have not gotten into Filecoin, and hopefully I'll remember to talk about it. All right. Tron is up over 51%. We don't really play Tron. Let's see. Solana is an excellent coin long term. We are not in Solana, but that certainly is something you can take a very good look at. Let's see here. We should be getting to some of the coins that we talk about on a regular basis. Kusama is at 404. That's down 11%. It's a very expensive coin. Kusama is a great project, one of the best coins you can be in. We've never promoted it or talked about it because it's so expensive, but getting a piece of Kusama is certainly nothing wrong. Okay, an oldie but a goodie. Here we go. Algorand. Algorand is back to $1.30 after running up to about $1.40 or so. Let's see. Now, here's the thing. Algorand is down 10%. Algorand, okay. Algorand's high allegedly was 149. I didn't see it that high, but that's very possible. You know we like Algorand. Algorand is a great long-term coin, but it's also a great trading coin for us. I have moved out of my Algorand last week. I took my profit there. I had I think it was probably about a 40% profit in Algorand, and I decided to get rid of it and look for the next entry. The curious thing with Algorand, guys, is let's look at the month chart. So down here, we did get back to $1 or so. At this bottom, we got down to $1.06. The moves before this, where we had gotten in again, was closer to 98 cents, 96 cents. Will we have a chance once again to get in closer to $1? I don't know. What is the new floor? Well, if you look at this monthly chart, let's take a look here. What are we at here? I hate these charts on Coinbase. $1.27 or so. So let's call this $1.25 for, and here is the same. Oh God, I hate this. Okay, $1.27. So we're gonna see whether $1.25 level is the new floor, or will we touch down to this next level, which is probably somewhere right around here, $1.20 or so. I don't know if I'm a buyer again at $1.20. I have to really rethink that because I don't know if our upside is capped. So I'm not sure where we're at with Algorand as a short-term play. As a long-term play, you're holding, you're great. Algorand is fantastic. But we've been in and out of it approximately 3 times back at this dollar level. I'm going to have to reevaluate. We're going to have to see if it tests 120. If it tests 120 and gets lower, that's great for us short-term players because we'll probably have another Algorand trade. Okay, so let's get back to taking a look here. And again, today's a red day. Don't panic. Most of you have been around now for a while getting the newsletter. These are days to be buying in. You literally could be up 40, 50% in 24 to 48 hours if you're getting in on these red days right now. Because we think we are in the middle of alt season. Everybody's predicting April to be a phenomenal month for the altcoins. Obviously, today is not a good day for the altcoins, but maybe it's a day to position yourself. That's the way we've always looked at red days, and that's how you take 5,000 and turn it into 15,000 and 100,000 and turn it into a million. Okay. So Aave is down about 12% too. We looked at that already, I think. Okay, there's Algorand. Okay. All right. So this is another coin that we have not talked about that we feel very strongly on, by the way, Elrond. Elrond is basically even for the day. It's up 26% over the last 7 days. This is a coin you can take a good look at. Pancake Swap. Man, I've looked at this coin so many times and I have missed my entry so many times on this coin. It's extremely volatile, Pancake Swap. Let's take a look at the chart actually. 1618 is down about 8% today. Look at this chart. I mean, look at that. Let's take a look at the 3-month. So it's peaked here. Oh God, these charts are just crazy. Okay, 1892. And it dropped all the way. It retraced to 852. Unbelievable. So this is a wild ride. Pancake Swap is a wild ride. Getting into it here after looking at this chart is probably not the right thing, but let's take a look at the month. Okay, so we do see the dip on the monthly chart right here to about 948. There's no way I buy this. You can start dipping your foot into this maybe at $14, $12, but it's too crazy to buy in at that level. All right. So Pancake Swap could be a great trade though if you can get into it there, and if you don't have a heart problem and you can handle the ups and down swings with that. All right. Let's see. Okay, this is a coin that was almost in our last crypto basket. We may be looking at this in the future for another crypto basket. That's down 10% today. This is a very interesting coin, CHZ. Mind, guys, keep that in mind. That's definitely a coin we're probably going to revisit. Synthetix is in our portfolio. It's traded in a very narrow range, probably between 17, 18 to around 22. I don't think we've made any money on this coin, to be honest with you. I think I think we bought it around 21 average. Our average is probably around 21. This is more of a long-term coin as well. I would have expected this coin to get closer to $30 though by now, and it has not. We will probably be reevaluating this coin on the next move up and see how it plays out. I think this last, let's take a look here. Yeah, the 7-day high, it did jump back to 2240. According to this, the 90-day high was 2877. So I think we're going to reevaluate our funds being in this coin probably on the next pop-up. We'll see. We probably won't get rid of all of it. It is a solid coin. It is a solid project. We're just talking about price action itself and maybe having our money be allocated in a better place. So on the next move up, 22, 23, 24, we'll have to reevaluate that coin. Okay. Let's move down. So that's where we are with Synthetix. This is another coin that's really on a lot of people's radars, Zilliqua. Have this one on your radar, guys. It's down 11% today. It's at 18 cents. Look at that chart. That's pretty incredible. That's the all-time chart. Let's take a look at the month. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. This has been as low in the 30-day as a little over 12 cents. Yeah, this is a coin to just keep on your radar. If you want to pick it up on these red days, that's fine. Zilla, whatever. Um, this is a strong coin. We haven't put it in the newsletters or anything yet, but we may include it in the next crypto basket. Okay, another oldie but goodie, the graph back down to $1.59. This is a coin that we trade all the time from the $1.50, $1.60 range. The problem here is this coin did not, in this last run up, go back to $2. It went as high as about $1.94, $1.95. And I was ready to pull the trigger at $2 for that short-term profit, and we never quite got there. So I regret that over those few cents. I regret not pulling the trigger when I saw it. It was there very quickly. The 194, 195. And we're back at 160 again. So here's the 7-day. This says it got as high as 195. There it is. And look at this drop here. But you know what happens with the graph historically, since we've been trading it for months, is it touches down in these 150s and then it snaps right back. You can certainly buy this coin below 160 and feel extremely comfortable for several reasons. Number one, there's a solid floor there and great support. Number two, this is a long-term coin with a substantial project behind it. So if you do get caught in this one a little bit, it doesn't really matter. This is a great coin to be in long term. So this is an excellent trade today on the sale in the 150s. Play it tight. You can wait for that pop up back to the 180s, or hopefully we get back to the 190s where I will be moving out of it. So the graph is certainly back on our list today as a short-term trade opportunity. I have plenty of it. I don't know if I'll be picking up any more of the graph though right now personally, because I did buy on the last drop and didn't get out where I should have. Okay. All right, let's take a look. Sushi Swap is down 11%. We don't really cover that. This one's really upsetting. Engine Coin. We love this coin. We love this project. Its retracements are so deep. You just kind of have to look the other way. When this coin explodes again, it's going to explode in a big way. This is a gaming coin, a huge gaming coin. But it is upsetting that when we have these retracements, it retraces that low. But you can see, look at this. I mean, the all-time move, obviously, it's insane. Okay, and the monthly bounce. Okay, we had a high of about 292. I don't remember seeing it that high. I think it was there very quickly. We had a retrace last time down to 208, so we're testing that 208 mark again. From that 208 last time, it bounced. Well, this is actually the high from that bounce. 266. So Engine Coin is absolutely a buy today if you don't own it. If you can get it below 210, that's fantastic. We may end up picking up more Engine Coin today, which is kind of strange, but we may end up doing that. It's a great coin. I think Engine Coin is a $4 or $5 coin in the near future. Okay. So didn't think I'd be talking about Engine Coin at 209, but listen, this is crypto. Crypto are big. Our retracements are not 3-4%, they're 10, 15, 20%. And that's the way it goes. Okay, so let's see what else is down here. Okay, another one of our holdings, Polygon Matic, which just came onto Coinbase in the last month. That's at about 33 cents. Polygon, and that's down 12%. So Polygon is a great coin. Look at that chart. Let's take a look at the month. Okay, so Polygon looks like it's going to test the monthly, the low here, which is about 30 cents. So the high in Matic was here at about 49 cents. So Matic has been trading in a very tight range though. Once we got into it much earlier at 17, 18 cents. So we've done really well with Matic. I think there's a lot more upside to Matic. So Matic is not something that we look to get in and out of. I've been strictly holding it. All right. Let's see if there's any other ones. Okay, some of these are not on the front page, so I'm going to have to move down. Okay. Harmony. Okay. This is a weird one. Harmony is one of my favorite coins. This has been as high as about 21 cents. Today it's down 17%, and that's after the last few days of it being down. So Harmony is down 30% in the last week. Not sure why. Maybe it's because there were a lot of buyers that were really bought into this very, very low, and there's big profit taking. And sometimes that happens if people are holding it from the beginning. People that may have gotten in on 1 cent, 2 cents. I didn't think we would see 12 cents. We actually just bought more Harmony at about 15 cents. I didn't think it was going to go that much lower. Harmony is a fantastic buy. If you're accumulating Harmony, you hit the jackpot today by being able to buy down at this level. So Harmony is a great buy here for either a quick trade or for a long-term hold. Surprised we got that low. And let's take a look at that. I mean, look at that chart. We were at about 20 cents, and look at the amount we've shaved off. Okay. So buying opportunity, hell yeah. Okay, if you have money on the side, Harmony would be a phenomenal buy. I don't think we could go lower than 10 cents, 11 cents on Harmony. I don't think so. I think that that's the bottom. Obviously, I don't know, but not giving financial advice, of course, as always. I'm just giving you my opinion. I think the bottom on Harmony has to be around 10 cents, so we're probably touching somewhere near that now. And I would buy more Harmony if you have funds available. Okay, so let's take a look at a couple of others. Let's look at XDAI. This one's a shame. XDAI finally started moving again, and then this retracement happened. Look at this. Look at this here. XDAI got all the way back to 38 after not moving for quite a while, and now we're back. Let's take a look at the monthly. Yeah, look at this. It finally popped. It was really slow, and now we're coming back down, but still really happy with XDAI over the last couple of weeks. We'll see if it can hold this value. We believe XDAI is a $50 coin in the short term. So we're in XDAI. We're not going anywhere. All right, now let's take a look. Some of the other coins that we purchased just a day before, way too early, obviously. Let's see what kind of deals you can get on those at the moment. If you did not get into any of these are all in the crypto basket. Okay, here we go. Rarible. Rarible is down 23%. Okay, we definitely bought this much higher than 32 just 24 hours ago. We were off by 1 day doing this crypto basket. There's no doubt about that. Rarible is a game-related, NFT-related play. The thing with Rarible is its market cap is insanely low, so this has huge potential. With that potential comes big risk. As you can see, within the last 24 hours, this thing has gone down 22%. So we're probably down 15% in this coin right now. Okay, no big deal. That's part of the process. One of the other ones that we bought as part of the basket was Orchid. This isn't down too much, 9-10%. We probably got this, I think, around 77, 76, something like that. Orchid's another great play, good market cap, and look at this chart. It's ready to explode. Okay, we believe Orchid is definitely going to be a big mover. So Orchid is part of our crypto basket. which is obviously down considerably from 24 hours ago. Another coin in our crypto basket is Veracity. VRA, Veracity. And most of these coins from the crypto basket, well, not most, all of these coins can be bought on Gate.io. They're on other places. They are certainly not on Coinbase, but they're on other exchanges. We bought them at Gate.io. Veracity's down about 10%, so this hasn't really moved that far down. Look at that chart. Beautiful chart on Veracity over the last month. And it's obviously down. Here's this 10% drop today. It's on sale from where we bought it. And I think that's the last one. Oh, Ecomi. I forgot. Ecomi. Okay, Ecomi is, we keep picking up Ecomi every time that it drops. Ecomi is, there it is. OMI, Ecomi. Ecomi's only down about 4% for the day. We think there's big jumps coming on Ecomi. I think everybody should have Ecomi in their portfolio. I think it's just a matter of time before this makes a big pop. So we're continuing to accumulate Ecomi, and I think that's the last one. I think that's the last one. Yeah, and that's it. So we went over most of the stuff today. Bottom line is, guys, this is our normal retracement. You guys have been through this before. This video is going longer than I thought it would. I apologize for that. Just hang in there. This is the reason why you should take some profits off the table here and there, so you have funds to dump back in on these red days. So basically think of it like a big machine. You're buying on red days, you're taking some profits along the way, and then you're waiting to then put money back into the machine on these red days. As I said, I kind of did not follow my own rule in creating the crypto basket a day ago. If I would have waited for a red day, we would be in great shape with that crypto basket. But because of alt season and the way we think April is going, and all the experts feel the same way, that April is going to be a big month, I decided not to wait. Instead of waiting for a red day, what I did was I cut the amount that I would have normally bought. So if you would have bought $1,000 worth of each one of those coins in the basket, I only bought 300 or 350 because I was buying in the midst of a run as opposed to a down day. So that's how I protected myself by buying less, with the assumption that we could ride it out or we could average down. I don't think I'm going to average down on most of these coins in the basket this time. I think we're just going to let it play out. I don't think we're going to go in and average down. But if I did average down, I would tell you that I would definitely buy more Rarible, RARI, and probably Veracity's not down much. We just moved into CKB today. That's the one that we flipped from getting out of Bondly. OXT, I don't know if I'd buy more OXT. So I think basically the only things I would buy more of today from that basket would be I'd buy more Harmony, and I'd buy probably some Rarible. And that's about it. So with that being said, take a deep breath. It's a red day. Buy what you like and hold on, and everything will turn green before you can blink. Maybe by the weekend we'll be back in the green and you'll forget all about the red day, which is what seems to happen all the time. So don't lose any sleep over this. It's a positive. This is the organic way that markets move, and we'll be back with another update real soon. Take it easy. Bye bye.